Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, TicWatch 5 Pro or TicWatch Pro 5 from Mobway, and now we will unbox this device and we will take a closer look for these smartwatches. So as you can see, here we have the newest Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 for platform. So this is a good processor for smartwatches, and this processor will not be overheating, maybe, of course, and it will too fast to work with VRS. Rotating Chrome navigation, okay, like in Apple Watch maybe. A dual display with interactive and customizable ultra-low power display. Dual display. I don't know how it works, but we will see. Long battery life, fast charge, it's really good. Military standard. 5 atmosphere, water resistant and open water swim suitable. Built-in compass, GPS, and here we have GPS and barometer. Okay, one type measurement of multiple health metrics. Okay, recovery time and oxygen max measure. Okay, professional workouts modes and thousands of watch faces. So cool. So how we can open this box? Maybe the opening is here or here, and I don't know where is it. So I will try to open it from here. Okay, and let's open it. Yes, it's possible. So TicWatch. Wow, cool. So here we have the normal elastic. Okay. Here we have our watches. Of course, here we have the foil. We need to take off if you wanna measure your pulse and oxygen normally. And here we have our display with digital crown like in Apple watches. This crown is not working like in Samsung Gear, so it's normal crown. So let's enable it. Here is the power on button, and maybe okay, it works. It charged. Cool. And what we have in the box, I think we need to have the charger, and of course we have. And here, as you can see, we have a normal. Maybe it's not normal in 2023, but here we have the magnetic contact Mobway charger. I don't know why we don't have the the wireless charger. I don't know why we don't have it in 2023, but I think if it's really fast, so maybe. And what we have here, we have only documentation. Okay, so unfortunately we have no any bands, additional bands in our case. So here we have only our watches and documentation. So what can I tell you? Of course, it's not too slim like normal watches. Okay, so normal watches. Okay, I have very slim watches. I have Casio Edifice. I forget the model of these watches. They're slim, but but it's wider than normal watch, for example. So I think this is good for big hand, maybe not for small hand, of course. For example, for me, I have no small hand, but I have no big too. So for me, these watches are good. As you can see, it looks good in my hand, and it's normal size for me. Okay, I understand what they means when tells about double screen. So here we have two layers of the screen. One layer is for always on, and second layer for normal, for display normal Wear OS interface. So it's very interesting. Maybe it will help for these watches to save the battery life for every day. So okay, that's it. I think these watches will be very good. We will record several videos about it, how it works, how to connect it with device, how to pair, how to resolve problems, and other videos. So don't. Oh, and as you can see, in this way we can change our bands. Okay. So cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.